because we are back in business. And business is about to pick up. And we are gonna do what we do better than anyone. Let's go hurt some people.
Wow, blockbuster news. The Hurt Syndicate looking for new members. And they are back in business as we are ready to go.
The following contest set for one fall has a 20-minute time limit and is an open challenge for the TBS Championship. Introducing first, from Long Island, New York, she is the reigning and defending TBS Champion, Willow Nightingale.
5 successful TBS title defenses for Willow Nightingale. But her first match since the Babes of Wrath loss to the Divine Dominion. And of course, as we've mentioned, now going their separate ways. Willow 92 days as TBS champion.
She put out the challenge. She wanted the very best.
And the challenger